This morning I was meant to go to this like free group workout thing, but I can't find it. Anyway, good morning everybody. It is a Saturday, which means it's the weekend. Whoop whoop, which really doesn't change anything because it's not like I have a 9 to 5. But you know what? We can still celebrate the weekend. Booyah! I'm going to be filming this weekend because I want to show you guys how to kind of have balance, treat yourself, but also not absolutely derail all the healthy habits you've been having throughout the week. Because I know a lot of people are like, YOLO, it's the weekend, so I'm going to go crazy. And also kind of how to have fun sober. I know, fun and sober in the same sentence. What the heck? Anyway, yes, it is possible. So I'll be showing you guys that. It is 7:20 in the morning, so I couldn't find my workout. So I'm going to go to the gym and do a workout. I love to do a workout Saturday morning because then when I have like social events in the evening, I'm like, I've already worked out. Like, you're not really stressing about it. I reckon get your workout done in the morning of the weekend and you're going to feel like a boss ass bitch. Yeah. I muted out the word without even having to edit it. Pretty skillful. I think I'm going to treat myself and get a coffee before I go to the gym. I've already had a coffee, but I just need that extra oomph, you know? Oof, oof, oof. I also forgot my earphones, so I don't know whether this is going to be a good workout. Because you know when you like need good beats to get you going? Like... Okay, anyway, I'm rambling, so let's go to the gym. I will attempt to film it. I kind of get awkward filming in public, you know? When people are staring at you like... And you're like, I'm just trying to do it for the people. Anyway, let's go. I'm excited. I'm going to get an almond latte. Extra shot. Okay, now I'm ready for the gym.
Boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe, it's you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring never cracks through. Bet I'm a trendsetter too.
The gym was so busy and the workout I wanted to do required the functional room, which was just like, it was crazy. It was in high demand. So I made up my own little workout with kind of like fun exercises, which I enjoy doing. But I think I've realized I really need a rest day. Like, my whole body is so sore. I probably should have realized that a little bit sooner. Little workout thing with like 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off for 5 minutes per round, and just did 4 rounds. So just a nice little 20-minute workout, which was good to just get my body moving because I do feel good. But yeah, man, I need a rest day, so Sunday will absolutely be a rest. Let's go eat food. I'm hungry. Have eaten breakfast, showered, packed my overnight bag, uploaded the podcast for tomorrow, and now I'm about to drive to Brisbane, which will take about an hour. See you in Brisbane. We have set up the party and everyone's about to come in about like half an hour or something. Also, I will film what I'm wearing in the mirror right now. This is what I'm wearing. I think it's from Camilla actually, so I'm bougie. And then a nice little white denim skirt. Woo! Okay, cool. So that is what I'm wearing. I know, so fancy, very unlike me, but you know, we've got to dress up for these things. I just wanted to quickly talk about being sober at events, because a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, Andy, like, I wish I could do that. I wish I could go completely sober, but I just can't. I wanted to share my top tips on going to events sober. Number 1 is have your why. You kind of got to have a reason why you don't drink. Otherwise, if you're at a party and you're like, nah, I'm not going to drink, and then you just see everyone drinking and then you're like, oh, nah, I'll just drink. You know what I mean? Like, you got to have your reason why. So like, my why is I'm not joking. I have more fun when I'm sober. I just don't like being really drunk. It's weird. I know. A friend of mine, he doesn't drink at events because he's really into his boxing. That's his why. So just have your why. It's fine if your why is like mine and you just have more fun sober, or maybe you want to get up early in the morning because you have a lot to do. Whatever your reason is, just make sure that you have your why, then you're going to stick to it. The second one is you got to be confident. Really, you got to back yourself and just know that it's totally fine that you're not drinking. When you walk into a party and people are like, oh, do you want to drink? You can't be like, oh, I'm not really drinking. You got to be like, oh, no, thank you, I'm not drinking. It's chill. Just, you got to be confident, because I promise you there will be that one annoying person who's going to be quite persistent on you drinking. You just got to be confident and be like, nah, I'm good. A lot of the time, like, those people, they just want you to have fun and they think that the only way way to have fun is through alcohol. If they are like that, don't take it personally. It's just them. So you just got to be like, no, I'm good. Just ignore it. And they'll leave you alone. Don't worry. Third tip is have your equivalent to a drink. I love to bring a coffee. I love to bring a coffee. Gives me energy and tastes fantastic. If it's like a more chill event, I'll bring my good old water bottle with me and just be drinking that because I just love drinking water. Or I'll ask the bar people for like normal water and then I'll be like, can you please make it look like a fancy drink? And they're so nice. Like they'll put like a little lime in it or cucumber or something like that. Or sometimes I love a good glass of orange juice and then I'm like buzzing off the sugar. That is fantastic. Just have your little replacement. And the fourth tip is don't be a freaking boring Betty because no one wants to be around the boring sober person. But trust me, if you are a fun sober person, then you will influence people in a positive way and they'll be like, wow, you really can have fun sober. Like so many times I go to parties and they're like, what the heck, you're sober? I thought you were really drunk or on drugs or something. But I'm just like, no, that's just me. You've got to represent the sober community in the right way. And the right way to do that is to be fun and get involved. And you can still play the drinking game. I think it's just important just to make sure that you are hanging out with the right people because my friends are so beautiful and so kind. I literally don't give a damn that I'm not drinking. I'm very blessed with that. So definitely make sure that your circle is supporting you. And if they're not at first, that's okay. They're just not used to the change. That's why they're like, what the heck, man. But once you just back yourself, just get a bit used to it, then they'll start to support you. But that is my little coffee chats in the car. Once again, why am I always filming in the car? I don't know. Anyway, so let's go back to the party and I'll take you guys along with me.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Got the rap patrol on the Gat Patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to say he's money.
So I was meant to be going for a walk this afternoon, but it is having a lovely little rain. So instead, we're going to be making homemade coffee scrub. This stuff is amazing, super good for your body, makes it all smooth and beautiful. All you're gonna need for this is some ground up coffee beans. I've got it in a cute little jar because, you know, I'm cute. I just got this from my coffee shop. Coffee shops often have a little leftover bits. Go into a coffee shop and be like, hi, can I have yourself some of your coffee, ground up beans? And hopefully they'll say yes. If not, come to me and I will say yes. Next, you'll need some raw sugar. Lastly, you need some oil. If you have coconut oil, I recommend that, but I only have olive oil. So I will be using olive oil. And then obviously a bowl, whisk, measuring cup, all that. And of course, have a cute little jar. Put your coffee scrub in afterwards so we can look cute. You're gonna need 1 cup of ground coffee beans, 1 cup of brown sugar. Put it in the bowl. We will whisk, mix. Let me give you a bird's eye view. So this is just the sugar and the coffee. So just mix it up before you add the oil. We're gonna be using half a cup of oil. And then mix it in. Once it is all mixed, it should look like this. It's like a really dark consistency, all a little bit, but not too much moist. And then we're just gonna transfer it into this cute little jar. And there we go, the final product. Just make sure that you keep it in an airtight container and this will last you about 2 months. When you're in the shower or the bath, just scrub it all over your body, leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes and then wash off and you should feel amazing. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, but I hope you did enjoy it. And I think the easiest and maintainable way to kind of stay healthy on the weekend is literally just making sure that your idea of health and what you're doing is absolutely maintainable. For me, it's absolutely all about a lifestyle and not about, you know, some weird fad diet that you're not really gonna be able to stick to. Weekend, if I do have a little treat yourself, next meal, I just get straight back into it. We don't need to go on a massive binge and be like, oh my gosh, I broke. I'm gonna just eat everything under the sun now. if you do have a little treat yourself, that's actually part of a healthy diet. So once you eat it, be like, yep, that was good, that was satisfying, let's get back on track. And if you do want to try going to things sober, absolutely do it. I had so much fun last night. I literally feel hungover because I'm so tired because I partied so hard. But I drank nothing. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Also comment down below what you thought of this video or what you want to see, because that really helps me. And I'll see you guys next week for another video. Woo woo. Okay, bye.